Hey young slices, do you play War Robots? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this War Robots modded version. So as you can see guys, when we open it up and press on our resources or something, I'm not really sure how to work it. It says unlimited resources and unlock all robots. So I'm going to turn on the unlimited resources option, press activate, and they should go up like crazy. So nothing happens anymore. Oh my gosh, look at that guys, it worked. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super insane guys, and it works on iOS and Android. So get with me and we're good. So the first step guys is to go over to this page called tweakgpt.com. Alright, so once you're on this site, it's going to say discover modified apps. Go to where it says enter a prompt and just type in War Robots. And as you can see guys, it says War Robots mod. Here's how. Go to Zoo Mods. So now we're on Zoo Mods and we're going to type in War Robots. Press on it, download it, you're good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. But when you go to the App Store guys and you type in War Robots, you can see it is super expensive. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, here's the game, and then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method out. It's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe, because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and get the word out. It's super cool, guys. Fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. It's super insane. Totally updated and everything. So peace out, guys. I'm really just trying to make it a good day for everyone with the War Robots hack. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Get the word out, guys. This is so insane. It fully works. So peace out, guys. This is super crazy, and I'm just here to bring it with you.